Hi guys, welcome to my channel and specifically welcome to the first ever video, first of all in English, and second of all it's the first video of the whole playlist of home stuff, home renovation, home decor, home process, home buying and everything basically. My name is Maya, and together with my partner George, we live in the UK. We currently live in a rental property in Northampton, but by the time you see this video, basically, we will be homeowners, and we will be homeowners of a three-bed bungalow in a little town called Market Harborough, which is part of Leicester. We are so excited about the whole process, but today that I'm filming is basically 2 days before we complete the whole process of the home buying. We've viewed the house 2 times already with the real estate agent. The first one was the initial viewing, and then we made our offer and it was accepted. We started the whole process, and about 2 weeks ago we revisited the house just to refresh our memory and get even more excited, ask a bit more questions about the whole process. We also got into the garden, and I am going to be adding as well some clips from the whole second viewing that we did, that the house was empty apart from a big furniture piece in the master bedroom that we are ripping off and throwing away. We are so excited about this because we hate this kind of furniture. I will show you what I'm talking about, and let me know in the comments if you like this kind of furniture. I find it very big, very heavy. The color of it as well, it's horrible for us. We don't like it. We don't like this kind of wood. So even if we liked that kind of furniture and we wanted to keep it, it would be definitely painted over and change the handles and everything. But we're not keeping it. It takes too much space of the master bedroom, and if we kept it, it wouldn't fit our bed. Now I'm at home. I'm working from home. But George is in the office and he's working, so he's not here to greet you guys, but hopefully he will be soon, and he will say hello to the camera as well. Hello! It's the day before signing the papers and actually getting the keys. Well, not actually getting the keys because we will be working and we won't have time to go to the real estate and grab the keys tomorrow. But tomorrow morning we will be homeowners. Today we don't have anything to do about the house. We have completed all the forms, we have signed everything, we have sent to the real estate, we have paid for everything that needs to be paid up front, and we're just literally counting the hours. Saturday we will finally go to the house, and we also already have booked a consultation with an architect, a local architect, to come and see the house, and we're gonna ask them questions, and I think we will have an hour of free consultation with them. So excited! Hi! So it's Thursday, and today it was the day that we were supposed to exchange and complete about the house. We had since yesterday lunchtime about 12:30 we had some more drama. They told us that basically the paperwork for the completion that the sellers needed to sign, they signed incorrectly in a way that they cannot fix it, they cannot alter it. And during my whole lunch break I had to speak with a solicitor to try and see what we can do, because it wasn't from our side, so we couldn't really do something, and we were just waiting from the sellers to receive again the paperwork, sign them again, make sure that everything is correctly signed, and then send back to our solicitors as soon as possible. But this is obviously through post, so it's not gonna happen in the next 5 minutes or half an hour. And they needed to send the paperwork from Wales because that's where they live now. And the solicitors advised us that because of that, it's unlikely that we will be able to complete today, which was the day of completion. And we had planned everything based on today being the day of completion, and we get the house. It was also very dramatic because every day that passes, it's so crucial for us, especially because the actual seller is very ill and they are about to pass away. And for us, this obviously this is a very sad thing, and I have experienced that with a family member. So I am very sorry that this is happening, but also for us as buyers for this property is very risky because the property would need to go we would need to go to court basically, and it would drag for months, and we've already been going on this process for 10 months with 3 different properties. But anyway, that's a story for another video. Our solicitors found a way to work around that, and I am very happy and very excited to tell you that as of now we are homeowners. We are very excited. George is still at work, I am still working, but I'm at home. And today has been a very stressful day because we weren't sure if we would not complete today, and yeah, it's just a messy situation. It was just harder than it should have been, and also the weather is very crazy. Like every 5 minutes, I swear, every 5 minutes it's snowing, and then we have sun. Right now we have sun, but 5 minutes ago it was snowing, and it's been like that the whole day. Okay, so I am almost outside of the real estate, and I'm going to get the keys. George just is doing rounds because we couldn't find a place to park, but I'm going to get the keys. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are we getting in the house for the
Getting
first
in the
time?
house.
Well, first, second?
First second.
Okay, let's go and open the door. Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Whee! I'm getting in. How do you like our red carpet? Very
Like
official.
a celebrity.
Very official. This one is the second bedroom. This is our shower. Nice. With very pretty doors. Very modern. I like this. We're gonna keep this. I'm kidding. And this light. This light is just chef's kiss. This is the third bedroom that used to be a kitchen at some point. And we have a hello. We have a built-in wardrobe that it's gonna go out. Bye bye to this very soon. Let's go to the big space. So we have the living room. We have a fireplace that I think it's working, which is good. We have a dining room. Our little kitchen here, so cute. We have our utility room. At the moment it's just empty. We go to the garden from this door, but we also go to the garden from this door. Let's go to the garden. No. It's so beautiful. It's also a nice day today. This is our future Christmas tree and the pigeon. And then here we have the garage. We have a pigeon here that wants a few seconds of fame. Yeah, I think it's like, who the hell are you? And I love the garden.
Looks okay. Much better than ours.
Yes, the pigeon doesn't want to leave.
I think that's the tree that we saw.
Yes.
Yeah, that weird one. Yeah.
So
weird.
it definitely needs a lot of work, but it's exciting. Could be. No, I don't. Maybe. Yes, maybe. This one. So we saw the architect for the first time ever. We can find, what do you love? This. We can actually, if you spray paint this black, it's much better. So it's not that bad. We've seen worse.
What is the highlight of the house so far? What do you think is the highlight?
The highlight.
Which would you keep for anyone?
You mean literally, not ironically? Because I know you're being ironic now. So literally, I would like to keep. Let's see now. I'm very picky. So as the house is now, I would like to keep just the arts there. And I think if we do extension, we're gonna just take it out. So it's sad. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the arts. This is the arts. So that's the only thing I would keep in this house right now. Ironically, I would love to keep this color on the wall. I would love to keep it.
Well,
especially if you combine it with the burgundy, purple, winey carpet.
It's a color theme house.
It's better than other ones that we saw.
When you are feeling blue,
you're like, oh, I'm feeling blue. Oh, this is the red one. But yes, so let's see, what did I do? So our plan for today, after the architect has now left the house, is to start removing some carpets. It's gonna be very fun. Are you excited?